Going to change the oil today on my motorcycle for the first time. Everything else has been done in the shop. Make sure I got everything I need. Refrigerator full of alcohol. Best damn root beer, Lagunitas. Check. Dirty ass motorcycle in dire need of an oil change. Check. Oil pan. Check. 2x4s for the side stand to hold the bike up straight. Check. Indian motorcycle oil. Oil filter. Crush washers. Oil filter wrench straight from AutoZone for $5. Did not pay the $20 for the Indian one. Teflon tape. Torque wrench. Allen sockets. Ratchet wrench. Friend staying out with me while I check. Oh, uncheck. Wish me luck.